There was a creek flowing back there pretty much, so it was just muddy.
A lot of us like being in the mud. The hardest part is just trying not to lose your footing and slip.
A couple of us almost fell the other day. The difficult part is just carrying a tarp full of blackberry through it. It's not the greatest, but we get it done. Right now we are outside of Headwaters National Forest Reserve on land owned by Save the Redwood League.
We're doing a lot of invasive pools to help make room for all the native species to be able to grow and thrive.
Cutting and clearing blackberry, Himalayan blackberry specifically.
You can tell by the leaves, the invasives are more like star-shaped, and then they'll have thick thorns that are all spread out.
It can be definitely difficult, especially when we're working in an area like this where it's so overgrown. Headwaters is a really important cultural area to the Wiyot tribe, which is the land that we're on right now. And the Elk River, which is flowing through here, is really important for salmon. Save the Redwoods League was able to acquire this parcel to be more of a buffer between, this important watershed and cultural area and the logging and the cattle ranches that we have also in the area. The main part we're doing is just clearing away all the big arching stems so that we can see the base, see the actual floor, and that way we can be like, okay, oh, cool, that's the base of that blackberry we cut, we can take that out. Or this is a native plant, this is a native blackberry, this is a fern, we can leave that stuff.
We're using a lot of McLeods for sure, just to get all the piles ready.
Loppers, Pulaskis.
Weed wrenches to get the roots out.
The roots of the blackberries are like hearts. It'll be like a ball, and then the roots will kind of come out of it. So we use those to kind of clamp it, and then we pull it out. We call it the crown, but to me it looks like a heart because it has all the veins shooting out.
When we do this hard work, we actually get to see what happens. We get to see the change in these areas. Not just this project, but honestly any project that we do, especially when we're doing thinning or stuff like that, and we're taking stuff out and just seeing the piles, getting the numbers of the cubic yardage of how much invasives we pulled out. It feels really good.
It's nice to see how much you do. You'll take a step back and you'll look at it and you're like, oh wow, this looks completely different.
It really gives a tangibleness to your achievement, to the work you did.
This isn't just another job. It's nice to have purpose and reason for doing it.
A big focus of my time here at the Seas has been improving public access to lands. And obviously this isn't public land that we're on right now, but it's still ours. And so improving that stuff and making nature, more accessible, making it healthier for our public to go and enjoy, it means the world to me.